Hi guys, we're going to be watching a new DVD called Dogman and Cat Kid. It arrived at Amazon. Let's watch it. Spine, back. You can get free Dogman DVDs. Yeah. Hey, it even comes with this. You can even get Shrek, Madagascar, Over the Hedge, Kung Fu Panda, How to Train Dragon, The Croods, Home, Trolls, Boss Baby, Captain Underpants, Abominable, The Bad Guys, Ruby Gillman, and The Wild Robot. Oh, got the disc. Put it in. Let's see how it goes. Now it should be warming up a bit. Let's see. Now let's see it. Done. English. Yeah, here we go. Now for the trailers. Wait, there's no trailers. Dog and cat play.